The third annual EPID at Work Research into Action Conference was held at the Italian Cultural Centre this past week, connecting research with community impact in Northern Ontario workplaces. Jaden Billick reports.
The annual Research into Action Conference, hosted at the Italian Cultural Centre, brings together researchers, community partners, and workplace leaders to explore real-world applications of occupational health and safety research in the workplace. Director and Senior Scientist at Enhancing the Prevention of Injury and Disability at Work Research Institute, known as EPID, Dr. Vicky Christman explains what the focus is.
So a lot of the work we focus in on is primarily mental health in the workplace. That includes addictions. We've had a presentation today on addictions and how we treat each other in the workplace. Presentation by Dr. Kathy Sanderson ongoing right now. So really it's about how do we make workplaces healthier and safer for the workers.
Over 100 people attended throughout the day to gain insight in the latest research from leading experts and local leaders through meaningful workshops and interactive panels. Assistant professor in the School of Social Work at Lakehead University, Abigail Sprakes, presented her speech about employers' need of conversations around when substance use can be problematic to employees and the support for the employees' wellness.
And we know that in Northwestern Ontario, we are disproportionately impacted by levels of substance use, certainly within workplaces, and all of us go through struggles, but that we want to be able to support employees so they can stay employed, that they can contribute to their communities, and we want to reduce the stigma that's related to substance use to be able to talk about it more openly.
Christman says the conference has been growing with community interest after seeing greater success over the past 3 years.
Actually, we've seen roughly approximately 50 new registrants each year, so that's really exciting. And we'd like to continue that trend moving forward. I think it's a great way to continue to build these, basically it's relationship building, to really build these relationships that are needed to ask the right questions and make sure that we as a research organization are trying to answer and address the right questions to make sure that we can improve the health and safety of workers.
Jaden Billick, TBT News.